Our eating habits are changing. In recent years, this has resulted in a booming food service and catering industry. There is a trend for healthy and tasty snacks that can be eaten quickly and conveniently while standing up or as takeaways. By offering a wide variety of attractive snacks, tasty lunches, a hot food counter, and delicious baked goods, you can gain profitable extra business and stand out from the competition. But how do you do this? With a small staff, in a small space, and high cost pressure? The solution is the Self-Cooking Center. With a footprint of just 1 square meter, it lets you prepare an unbelievably large variety of different snacks and baked goods. The Self-Cooking Center allows you to produce all kinds of baked goods, large or small, fresh, frozen, raw, or semi-baked, really easily, with top quality results in small or large amounts. You can also offer your customers a wide range of snacks and hot meals, no matter whether you produce the dishes yourself or use products from a supplier. The Self-Cooking Center is always the ideal solution. And if you want, you can even use it to conjure up a wide breakfast selection: vegetarian open baguette sandwiches, cheese and ham sandwiches, sausages, fried eggs, omelets. You can produce all these with a single appliance. It replaces almost all conventional cooking appliances, such as convection ovens, rotisseries, baking appliances, microwaves, steamers, deep fat fryers, or grills. This saves space and investment costs. It will also reduce the use of raw materials, and you'll need significantly less time, energy, and water. The Self-Cooking Center pays for itself in just a few months. And what about the quality of food? Also excellent, with reproducible results every time. You can transform your baking system into a highly efficient snack station in the blink of an eye. Just push a button to produce the product you want. Thanks to the built-in cooking intelligence, the Self-Cooking Center is operated intuitively and can even be used by untrained staff without any significant training requirements. And of course, at the end of the day, it very conveniently cleans itself. Want to know more? Let's talk.